The Prada Marfa installation, located near the small town of Marfa in West Texas, was created by artists Elmgreen and Dragset, a Scandinavian duo. This art installation, which resembles a Prada storefront, was constructed in 2005 as a commentary on consumerism, luxury branding, and the art world. It is not an actual store, but a permanently sealed structure containing real Prada items that were donated by Miuccia Prada herself. Over time, it has become a well-known cultural landmark and tourist attraction in western Texas.